On Google Drive, you can pass text from an image or photograph to writing in an online Word document in a couple of seconds. To do this, open Drive and click New, then Upload File. Select the image. Once the image has been uploaded, right-click on the image on Drive and click Open with then on Google Documents. Automatically, the text in the image becomes editable text in the same document. You can copy-paste and modify it as you want. You can do dictation. Drive will go from voice to text whatever you say, even from a video or recording. To do this, go to Drive and click New, and then in Google Document. When you open the blank document, go to Tools or the Ctrl plus Shift, Command plus the letter S. The voice dictating tool will open. Click only on the microphone icon and you can start dictating. It is suggested that it be as clear and better pronounced as possible for a better transfer. Google Drive allows you to create your own website for free. To do this, go to the new icon and then in More. A menu will be displayed with more options. Choose Google Sites. Once you have clicked it, another window will be displayed in which the editor of your new website will be. There you can set page address, header, title, move content and organize it as you like. Insert videos, image, settings, and give identity to your page. Create new tabs, embedded calendar, forms, graphics. You can also authorize other profiles to help you fit your website among other advantageous capabilities.